Hey, what's up, my friends and lovers of the bonsai art? Today I'm gonna show you how I protected my trees from this freezing cold. It's really cold here in the Netherlands, in The Hague, and minus 5 degrees Celsius at night. And normally I never protect my trees, but once it starts freezing like this for a few days, so in a row, in a week, then I got the advice from my some bonsai friends and my teacher Carlos to protect some of the trees, and now I'm gonna show you how I did that. There are different ways to do that, and this is definitely not the only way, but that's how I protect my trees during the winter. So normally I have the trees all here on the bench, and what I did is put them all together out the wind here underneath the part of my terrace that is covered. So by putting them together they keep each other warm, but most of my trees don't really need protection. I have one very expensive tree that I was working inside that I put some extra protection and bubble wrap around the foliage because the difference in temperature from inside was too much. But for the rest I just put them together here. And what you also can do, if you have space or you have Mediterranean trees, you can also use more like a greenhouse if you have the space for it. But I work mostly, or actually all my trees are can take all the cold. Also most of the junipers and Texas and my pine tree over here, Sylvesters. So yeah, that's it for today. This is what I do. If you do something else, let me know in the comments what you do to protect your trees during this cold. And I will post also a video soon how I built this very cheaply off this bench over here, so you can make yourself if you are interested. This was very cheap and I think it looks very nice. And I see you next time in Bonsai Den Haag. Follow, because there are a lot more to come.